All right, Professor, I didn't really know how else to send in this code, so I'm just going to do a quick screencast on it. This is the Chapter 10 Web Turtle program. We'll just get right into it. I was going to do a three-way if-else statement, but I couldn't figure out how to get it, so I made three separate if functions. We'll do if input 1 is 3, we'll go to the triangle. If it's 4, we'll go to the square, and if it's 5, we'll go to the pentagon. If you look down here, I have the triangle, what's the word for it? I have the triangle set up here. This is going to state exactly what the triangle is. We'll do the drawing of it, just 50 pixels large, and then you're going right 120 degrees 3 times. Square, and then the pentagon. So we'll test those out real quick. You put 3 in, you can see there's a triangle. Put 4 in, there's a square. Put 5 in, and there is a pentagon. Now, if it wasn't going to be 3, 4, or 5, we wanted it to say enter 3, 4, or 5. We'll test it with 1 and 2 to show that it works, and then 6 and higher as well. I ran into an issue where if it was 1, 2, 6, or higher, there was just going to be a triangle floating on the screen. So in order to fix that problem, I made 3 other if functions that said if it's not 3, we'll go to nothing. If it's not 4, we'll go to nothing. And if it's not 5, we'll go to nothing. If you go down here, I define nothing as the color. I put it in the red color, and nothing would mean that it's printing enter 3, 4, or 5. So if it wasn't going to be 3, 4, or 5, no matter what you had, it was going to enter 3, 4, 5. I believe that satisfies all the requirements for this project. If there's anything else I need to do, please let me know. Have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow.